This is the lift to Beauty Retreat in John Lewis, Reading. We're going to go down to basement. It's the world's first Otis Gen 2 lift. Capacity 68 kilos, 8 persons, year made 2000. Here we are at basement. Back down, go back up to G. This lift's quite historic, it's the first Gen 2. Here we are back at ground. These are the second lifts at John Lewis in Reading. Could be Otis lifts. Which one?
Doors opening.
Go up to 2.
Doors closing.
It used to be an old Otis lift. It was modernised by Otis in 2005. Capacity 200 kilos, 16 persons.
Second floor.
Here we are at 2. Back down to G.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
There's the old Otis logo, still with the original doors. Nice, this lift.
Ground floor.
We are back at G.
Doors opening.
These are the third lifts at John Lewis in Reading. Here it is, their glass lift. Yeah.
On your own?
3.
Oh, one won't press, that's why. I'm going to keep my hand on it.
It's not lighting up, is it?
No, I don't think we can go to one. See if it'll stop.
Stop, yes.
Right, better get out.
What's this lab one? 3?
Yeah, you're going on up.
I'm
aren't you?
staying in there.
Mind your back with the wheelchair. There you go.
We've got 3.
Doors closing.
Ready?
Doors opening. Third floor.
Yes, please. Thank you. This is the lift at H&M in Reading. Up to 1.
Doors closing. Lift going
It
up.
used to be an Otis lift built in 1998. It was modernised by Pickerings in 2022. Capacity 10 persons, 800 kilos.
First floor.
You're at 1, back down to G.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down. Ground floor.
You are back at G.
Doors opening.
Just lift at New Looking, Reading. Here it is. Very grotty and dirty, this lift. Go up to 1. Scar, take a Rico lift. Capacity 5 persons, 14 kilos, year made 2010. Nice. Well, not really nice lift, but it would be quite nice if it was dirty. We are at floor 1. Call it again so we don't get stuck. Back down to G. It's quite shaky going down. Here we are arriving at ground. This is the lift at River Island in Reading. There it is. Go up to 1. Take a Rico lift. Capacity 400 kilos, 5 persons. Year made 2018. Slow, this lift has European doors. Quite slow, this lift. Now back at 1. Call the lift again. We don't get that. Back down to G. Nice, this lift. We are back at J. This is the lift at next in Reading. It's going to be a techno lift. Here it is. Down to G. It's techno. Capacity 1600 kilos, 21 persons, year made 2018. Bumpy start. Now at G. Should be -1. Should be -1 on the ground. Drop to 1.
First floor.
Here at 1.
Mind the doors.
This lift at Boots in Reading. There it is. Up to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
To UK lift.
Going up.
To UK lift capacity 1500 kilos, 20 persons, EMA 2000.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
Alright, 1, go back down to G.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor.
Now back at G.
Doors opening.
This is another lift at M&S in Reading. Up to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
It's Kone lift capacity 1000 kilos, 13 persons.
Floor 1.
Now at 1.
Doors opening.
This is the lift at Primark in Reading. This is where the former BHS store was. This one. There it is. Got to 2. It used to be. What floor do you want?
The first, please. Thank you.
It's right. It used to be an Evans lift. It was modernised by Otis Modlogic in 2006. Then it was completely replaced by Kone Ecodisc in 2016. Capacity 17 persons, 12.5 kilos. Go down to -1. Again, this is where the former BHS store used to be, and this is completely replaced by an Ecodisc 2016. 17 persons, 12.5 kilos. Floor -1. Up to 1. G, sorry. Security camera up there. We are back at G. Subject WH Smith in Reading. To 1. It used to be a Pickering's lift built in 2000. It was modernised by Specialist Lift Services in 2019. Capacity 68 kilos, 8 persons.
First floor.
We are at 1.
Opening. Doors closing.
G.
Lift going down.
Nice lift.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
things. This is the lift at Waterstones in Reading. It's one. It's an old Evans lift. Capacity 8 persons, 68 kilos. Nice old Evans. You're at 1. Down to G. Door closed as soon as I press the button. I like that. Sanitizer. Now back at G. This is the lift at Sports Direct in Reading. To 1. This is where the old Class Olsen used to be. It's an old Evans lift. Capacity 13 persons and 1,000 kilos. Nice old Evans. We are at 1. Go back down to G. Door hold button. Down to G. This lift at Broad Street Mall in Reading. We're going up to 2. It's Koenig. Capacity 16 persons, 1,200 kilos. In 2004. You're at 2. These are some other lifts at Broad Street Mall in Reading. Car park lifts. This one.
Going down.
Now to G.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
It used to be an older lift.
Going
It was
down.
modernised by Titan. Capacity 21 persons, 1,600 kilos.
Floor A.
Oh, here we are at A.
Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor.
Now back at G.
Doors opening.
This is the lift at TK Maxx in Reading. Here it is. Goodbye. Down to -1.
Doors are closing.
It used to be a ThyssenKrupp lift built in 2005, I think. It was modernised by Pickering's in 2022. Capacity limit of 5 kilos, 15 persons. We are at minus
Minus
1.
1. Doors opening.
Up to 0.
Doors are closing. This lift is moving up.
Nice lift.
Floor 0.
Back at G.
Doors.
This is going to be the lift that's Slater's in Reading. To 1.
Doors closing.
To Swallow lift, capacity 450 kilos, 6 persons, EMA 2012.
First floor.
Bumpy.
Doors opening.
And G.
Doors closing.
Small doors.
Down. Floor.
Rattling. Now back at G.
Doors opening.
That's it.